Wow, good job, dude.
Why are you so critical? You've only been here a cycle longer
Toy boy,
than me.
toy boy,
Why should
toy
you
boy,
be
toy
so
boy.
high and mighty?
Because I know what I'm doing. I've ran this thing before.
Again, not much longer than I have.
So useless.
Ow, what the? Why is this? Yo, dinosaur egg. Dinosaur egg.
What do you want?
You should really see this.
This better be good and... Just a wall. Great.
No, listen. This wall wasn't here yesterday. It used to be just more hallway. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about.
You've been here one cycle. One cycle. I never go past this wall, but even I know that this is a dead end.
This is my route. I know my route. This shouldn't be
We
here.
had a late start. Let's not dwell on it. Keep moving.